Excuse me, what's your name, please?
My name is Viet.
Viet.
Yes.
Where you come from, Viet?
I come from Nghệ An province.
Nghệ An province?
Yes.
How long have you been here?
I've been here for 4 years.
4 years?
Right.
Do you miss your family?
Yes, I do. I miss them very much.
Very much?
Right.
How often do you visit your family?
I visit my family 4 times a year.
4 times a year?
Right.
Who do you usually go home with?
I usually go home alone.
Alone?
Right.
How far is it from here to your house?
It's about 300 kilometers.
About 300 kilometers?
Right.
How do you usually go home?
I usually go home by coach.
By coach?
Yes.
How much does it cost you to go by coach?
It costs me about 200,000 Vietnam đồng.
About 200,000?
Right, right.
How long does it take you to go home by coach?
It takes me about 7 hours.
About 7 hours?
Right.
When do you usually go home?
I usually go home on holidays.
On holidays?
Right.
How many people are there in your family?
There are 4 people in my family. My father, my mother, my brother, and I.
Your father, your mother, your brother, and you.
Right.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, see you later.
See you later.